Hello everyone, in this video we will see a very interesting chess trap. This trap is called the Mortimer Trap. We'll see from the black side. White starts with pawn to e4, black plays pawn to e5, white develops his knight to f3 hitting this pawn, black defends the pawn with knight to c6, white plays bishop to v5, so this is called the Ruy-Lopez opening. Now, there are several ways to deal with the Ruy-Lopez opening. One idea is to actually play the move pawn to a6, which is the Morphy defense. Another way is to actually play this move knight to f6, which is the Berlin defense. In this trap, we are going to see the Berlin defense. So after knight to f6, we are hitting this pawn. Now to defend that pawn, white plays the move pawn to d3. Now here comes the surprise from black. Black plays the move knight to e7. This may look bit odd because you are giving up a pawn. And here is what your trap comes in. Here, if white takes this pawn, we have already set up the trap. Now we are going to play this sneaky move, pawn to c6, hitting this bishop. Now, let's see what are the options for white here. If white plays bishop to a4, black just plays queen to a5, hitting this bishop, also the knight. Now, if you play knight c3, you lose your knight. Now, if you play bishop to d2, you can either take on a4 or this knight. Both of them are good. So, bishop to a4 would be a problem. How about bishop to c4? If you play bishop to c4, again we have the same idea. Queen to a5 check and also attacking this knight. So, we win this knight. Now, so it seems that white is in a big trouble here. But one final trick which white could try is to actually play this move, knight to c4. Now, if you get too greedy and take this bishop, white has this knight d6 checkmate, so you have to be really careful. This king is completely locked in here. So you have to be really careful about this move, which is the move knight to c4. Now, here black has a very good response. Black could just play the move pawn to d6. Now what does this is that this knight cannot take it and the bishop is still in attack. So it seems that white should do something. Now white could only move his bishop to a4. Now again we have this very powerful move pawn to b5 hitting this knight and also this bishop. So that's how the trap works. I hope you really enjoyed it. Bye for now.